Time for an update on this. This is that 5.3 liter LS Vortec engine. As you can see, got most of the stuff torn off of it. Happy to say, looking at the inside of this engine, it's very clean. I didn't touch any of these cylinders yet. And focus, come on. There's really not much carbon at all in this thing. Got a little bit of dirt in there from when I took the covers off, but it's all gonna get cleaned out. Very clean, no scratches, no scores. Valley up here is clean. I just dropped the oil pan, and I don't see any chunks of crap in here. There's a few little tiny things there, but I don't think that's a problem at all. Oh, looks pretty good. So you can see the paint's completely shot on this block. I'm going to sand the whole thing down and repaint it. I got the heads in the house, clean those up. Just got to clean these mating surfaces off. But it's coming along. I'm not doing a full rebuild on it. Decided, looking at it, everything looks clean. I'm just gonna, just clean everything off, put it back together, really. I'm gonna flip the engine over later, pull the rod caps off, make sure the bearings in there are okay. If those need replacement, then I'll do it, but otherwise just gaskets and throw this thing in the car. I got quite a few parts here off of this thing. I don't remember what the hell goes where anymore. Stuff everywhere. I'll show you some of the other stuff I picked up for it. Let's see. Cleaned up this thing here. Accessory bracket. Cleaned up the intake manifold. This all came up nice. There's one of the heads. I still gotta put it back together. I bought these off Craigslist. These are head exhaust manifolds off a 2010 Camaro. Those should bolt right into the B body without any modification. And as a bonus, I got the cats with it. Might help for making the exhaust work. And this is the other head. This one's all cleaned up and assembled. Used a parts cleaner at work. It's a chem-free Aussie thing, which surprisingly, for what it is, it did a damn good job. I cleaned all the valves by hand on the bench grinder with the wire. Get some light. Yeah, it's not perfect, but it's good enough for me. And finally got in the mail the F-body oil pan. Clean that up in that parts cleaner too. Lighting sucks, I know. The only issue with it is that ear's broken off, but there's enough material where it won't matter. And I had to have that welded right there. A rod through in the engine this came off of and nicked it there. Cracked the pan a little, but that's fixed. So it's coming along slowly. And someday it'll be back together. Here's all that.